Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Fundbox for marketing campaigns. Do you need to run ads, launch a promotion, or refresh your brand? In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to use Fundbox to finance your next marketing campaign without stalling your cash flow. First step, define your marketing objectives. First, you got to decide what you want to achieve. More leads, brand awareness, product sales. Know your goals, and this is going to help you to budget efficiently. Step 2, estimate campaign costs. Include everything: ad spends, creative assets, influencers, software tools, even freelance help. Get a full view of your marketing expenses. Next, log in and review available credits. Access your Fundbox account and check your current available credits. This tells you what budget that you can realistically pull from. Next, draw the needed funds. Click Draw Funds and enter the amount that your campaign requires. The money will usually land in your bank account by the next business day. Next step, launch and track performance. Put your campaign into action and monitor your return on investment. Fundbox gives you the runway to test and iterate without dipping into your reserves. Marketing shouldn't wait for perfect timing. Use Fundbox to push forward and bring your brand the attention it deserves. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.